YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and in today's video is all on how I created this nice little cute green look. And if you want to see how I created this look, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video. This video was requested by one of my lovely subscribers to do a green look utilizing the Jungle Rock palette by Bretman Rock times Wet and Wild, and it's such a lovely palette, and I could not resist to go on and do a beautiful green look. So here it is. So we're gonna go on and get started. And first I'm going to prime my eyes by using the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer Plus Corrector, and this is in shade Medium Deep M400. And my eyes are a little stained from yesterday's eye look because I had a lot of pinks and purples on, but hey, we gonna make it work, boo. Now I'm going to take my InStylish sponge. I really do like this sponge because it works really good, and they are very, very cheap. I'll have a link down below if you want to check one out, and I do have a discount code. If you use the code, you'll get I think it's 10 to 20% off, and I do get a little commission from that. So if you want to help your girl out, that would be nice. But yeah, we're gonna get that on there, and it is on. I know I look kind of when your eyes are all like super light, but now we're gonna go into the Bretman Rock times Wet and Wild Jungle Rock palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade Venomous, which is this green shade right here. And I'm going to be using my Farrah 65E brush, which is a large shading brush. I'm just going to dip that right in there. And I'm going to like dip it heavy because they're not as pigmented as I would like. They're not as pigmented as I would like. So if you want to get that pigment, just kind of, you know, go a little heavy. But it is cute and pretty, and I wanted to do a nice little green look. This was requested from one of my subscribers, and St. Patrick's Day is coming up really soon, so I wanted to, you know, incorporate a nice little green look that you guys could possibly play around with. So we're gonna get that in there, and we're gonna do the other eye, and I'm like really like tapping this in there like 4 or 5 times, okay? Like tapping. I don't like rubbing because that gets a lot of you get a lot of fallout that way. So I like to just tap and just blend. Now as you see, I don't know if you saw my video yesterday on this palette. If you didn't, I'll have it linked above. But the Jeffree Star brushes work so great. As you see, I am over here like having to really blend these out. I mean, the Farrah brush is nice, but literally the Jeffree Star, like 4 swipes and it was blended out. I just didn't clean those brushes yesterday, so yeah. But I'm just gonna make sure every little spot is pigmented the way I need it to be, the way I want it to be, nice and popping up, and just yeah. Try getting that inner corner a little bit. All right, so that is good to go. I'm liking that. And so next I'm going in with the shade Big Peacock Energy. And it's this nice shimmery shade, super pretty. And I'm going to be using a flatter brush, and this is by Shani Cosmetics. I don't have a number on it, or Shani, if I'm saying that right, Cosmetics. Very cheap and affordable. Now the glitter shades do have more fallout than the matte shades. So, and they're a lot more pigmented too. Look at that. I'm liking that. Ooh, very cute. Alright, so I'm going to get this other eye going. Yeah, these are very pigmented, and they do have a lot of kickback in the pan. There's a little fallout on my face, but not too much. Okay. So make sure I get that really good. just like to dab, and then go a little bit above your crease, and then I'll blend that out in a minute. So alright, we're done with that. So let me go back in to that venomous green shade and just kind of blend that little glitter. We want it to kind of just fall everywhere on that green up there. Just kind of sparkle at the top. Alright, so that's blended. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in to this ape shit brown, or ape-ish brown, and just a little dab because this looks like it's going to be pigmenty, and I just kind of want to hit this corner up. Alright, so we're going to go into the black. The brown wasn't dark enough for me. There we go. Little bit of black on top of that brown because it wasn't dark. I wanted like kind of darken this outer corner up a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit. And we're going to clean that brush off to get that black off, and then go back into the venomous and put that right on over it because I want it to be green, but just need that outer corner just a little dark. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Give it more a little definition. Especially when we're playing with colors and trying and testing them out. And girl, sometimes we gotta make them work, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna go back into that black, which is alpha. And just literally, I'm just tapping one time. And I'm just gonna tap it into this outer corner to deepen that out. It's going to make it look like it's a darker green. Okay. And then just wipe that black off, okay? And go right back into venomous. And put that right on top of that black. So it looks like it's like a darker shade green. Like, yes, I could go into another palette and get a darker shade green because y'all know I have them. But I wanted to use this palette and show you how you can create some looks using the Jungle Rock palette. And even though that brown was like a little too light, I mean, it was like literally my skin tone, we can make it work with the black, boo. Alright, so now that we got that done, I'm going to finish the rest of my face off the camera, and we'll be back to finish the eyes, okay? Okay, I'm back. I got my lashes on, lined my eyes, and, you know, powdered my face and stuff. But we're going to finish the eyes because we're not done. I want to do a little pop of color. So I'm thinking purple, because purple and green do go together. So I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics 105 like pointy brush. And I'm going to go in the shade Feline myself. And I'm going to put this at the bottom of my lash line. And give me like a pop of color, okay? Like I said, lately I'm trying to go out my comfort zone of neutrals. And you know, I do like wearing purples and pinks too. But I want to go outside the box. And like I usually do green, but I do green with like brown neutral colors. And I just wanted to, you know, do something a little different. You know, try to play with different colors and try to up my makeup game up, boo. You know, we're always learning, and there's always room for improvement, and there's always new techniques and stuff coming out. But I definitely wanted to, you know, try to step my game up. Because I be seeing all these really pretty looks. And I'm like, ooh, I need to try that. I need to try that instead of being always safe. Let's step outside the box. So yeah, I'm using this is the Mile High mascara by Wonder Beauty. So I just put this on my bottom lashes. So alright, so now that we are actually completely done, I have everything on. I have highlight, blush, all of that, and my eyes are finished. Now that our face is finished, I'm going to go on and set my face, and I'm going to be using the Morphe x Jeffree Star setting spray and Starberry. I like this setting spray by Morphe. And I like this one too the most because it smells like strawberries. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I'm not sure, like, I love it. It's very different. It's like vibrant. I love this green, this glitter green shade is so beautiful. That makes me want to play with the blue shimmer shade in here and see how that does, but I really do like it. It's super cute and fun, and you can do this for any time you're going out, or you just want to have a pop of color, be a little extra, you know what I'm saying, or say a little date night. And hello, St. Patrick's Day is coming up. We want to make sure that we got our green on, okay? But I am still loving the Bretman Rock Times Wet and Wild Jungle Rock palette. It's very nice, very versatile. I love the shimmer shades. And there's a lot more shimmers in here. And there's mattes in here too, but there's a lot of shimmers in here. And the color payoff is really, really nice. So I can't wait to play with these other shimmers and see what it does. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, did you like this look? Let me know if you like this look or not. It's grown on me. At first I was a little nervous, but I really do like it. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.